Well, hello there. Eric Griffith here, aka Mr. Grifftastic, and I want to share this super secret, secure USB hiding spot for your BenQ Wi-Fi dongle. Kenny and Austin from DataPath, who are two of the installers and top-notch technicians on DataPath, mentioned this tip to me, sadly, after all the boards were installed. But anyway, it is a secret spot for the Wi-Fi dongle so that it is a little more theft resistant and it frees up another USB spot. So this Wi-Fi dongle is USB, and it's, eventually you'll be able to upgrade it to whatever the next model of Wi-Fi is, but it's super cool. So anyway, this is what I'm talking about. It's this little guy right down here, and you can see how wide it is. It actually makes an additional USB port difficult to put into the back. So I thought, that's unfair. I was so excited. There's a ton of USB things on this that, I feel like one got taken away. And as you're looking at it too, it sort of looks like that thing that Egon used to carry in Ghostbusters, right? It was called a PKE meter. I'm a super diehard Ghostbusters fan, so I know stuff like that. But anyway, this little Wi-Fi dongle thing, as you would take it off, kids liked to take it as well, and then I wouldn't see it again, right? So in a lot of the previous school districts I worked at, anytime I had a USB or a thumb drive or something hanging off the back, especially if the cart or the television was on wheels, it'd show up missing. So finally, the intelligent engineers at BenQ decided to make this secret little spot, which I thought when I first looked at it was like a speaker grill, but didn't really make sense because the speaker bar is along the front, right? And then there are these tiny holes out the back, and so I took my handy dandy multi-tool and popped that screw off. It's not a security screw, it's just a regular Phillips, but it takes just a few minutes to get off. And I was also told that there is prizes and Snickers inside, those little bite-sized Snickers. Sadly, that was a lie. So BenQ, if you're listening, the next one of these I open up, I'd love to see some Snickers bite-sized minis that would just pour right out of there when I open this port up. Anyway, I digress. Whoever designed this is super intelligent because they made it so that those little antennas just pop right out, right? So it's awesome. So it can receive the radio signals from Wi-Fi. Once you screw it back on, just takes a few minutes. The thing I have noticed, they're free in there. It is a USB port. I could take one of those antennas and disconnect it from the USB. So that is kind of a downside of it. But the kids, if they're back there, they won't notice that. It sort of looks like you would pinch and pull it out, and it's some sort of component of the board. But no, it was easy for me to just plug it right back, push it right back in. I didn't have to unscrew the screw or anything. So anyway, I hope that prevents your Wi-Fi dongle from being thieved by the students that we so love to educate in our schools. So anyway, that's my tip for you today on the BenQ interactive displays. My model, again, is the 6503. It's the newest in their line, and it's the smallest one they make. So anyway, I hope that tip helped you out, and I hope that you have a Grifftastic day. Thanks.